Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to redefine clause, where we will see how we can convert group items into a single field with the help of redefine clause. And this is one of the most important scenario you can say that we use with redefine clause, because in project there are various conditions where we are supposed to convert the multiple fields, or maybe you can say the group items, into a single input, into a single fields. Okay, so in that situation how we can utilize the redefine clause, that thing we are going to discuss in this session. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because these all sessions are connected with each other. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so in this session, we are going to proceed in the same manner. Firstly, I'll show you the basic code I have written in this TSCB PGM82, and I'll walk you through each and everything written here, and then later on we will write the code scratch from scratch. Okay, we will understand like how we are converting a group item into single field using redefine clause, and at last we will verify the output using the by calling the program. Okay, so if you are not sure what is redefine clause, and because these basic thing we have already discussed, what is redefine clause, how we can create it, right? In this particular session we are just focusing on the converting of group items into single field. So if you don't know the basic, please check the last session, because there we have already discussed the basic things. For now I'm just taking option 2 here on OPT field for TSCB PGM82, and here you can see we have declared the identification division block. This block is mainly used to define the information related to program identity. So here you can see we have program ID denoting TSCB PGM82, which is denoting the program name. Then we have author, which is denoting the author name. So here you can see we have author name as Sharmit, because this code is written by Sharmit. Fine. Now after this, like if you have any other information related to program identity, you can store it inside this block itself. And after this, what we are doing, we are initiating a 3 comment line. Okay, so from line number 5 to line number 7 we are initiating the comment line, and these comment line are started like how to initiate the comment line. You can place your cursor on the very first position. From there you can count till 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. On 7th position, when you place asterisk, after that whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment for this particular line. So likewise I have declared 3 comment line just to show you the topic name in a box like structure. So I just created a asterisk box with the help of comment line, and then I put the topic name, which is redefining a group item in a item as a single field. So let's see how we can use it. But just before that, let me uh, give a small definition for redefine, at least if someone is directly referring the session, so it will help them. So redefine clause is mainly used to represent same chunk of data in two different type or two different ways. Okay, so you can relate it with that example. Suppose we have one paper, and on that paper we want to write one text in English in the front page and one in Hindi in the back side. So what we are doing, we are utilizing the paper, and this can be done in Cobol program with the help of redefine clause. So if you want to use this, if you want to share the storage of group item with a single field item, then in that case you will utilize the redefine clause. Fine, so I think now we are good to start with the logic. So here after comment you can see stop run is there, which is nothing but to terminate the program flow. Now here I'll insert 20 blank line I20, and let's insert the text here. Fine, so now it's time to declare the variable, because for implementing the group item we would need data division. So let's define data division here. So data division. Okay, under this data division we will write the working storage section, working hyphen storage section. Clear? Now after this working storage section we will define the actual variables. So to define the variable, you can place 01 as a level number, okay, then ws underscore date. Okay, so this is the thing, and here I'm not going to specify picture clause and other thing because we are going to make a group element. If you don't know what is group element, how to create, then you can check one of our session where we have already discussed all these things. Okay, for now we are just defining the group item. So here the first main item name is ws date, and now we will specify the subfields using level number 05. So 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy level number, and 05 is denoting that this is the part of the higher data hierarchy. Clear? So I just specified 05 for level number, you can say. Then we will mention here as ws year, which is the variable name, ws year, pic 9 of 4, where 9 is denoting the numeric data type and 4 is denoting the length. Then we will specify the value clause, which is to provide the value. So I just specify 2024 here. Now we will declare another level number for ws month, pic 9 of 4 value clause, and here I am specifying the month as 9, which is September. Now we will declare another variable, which is 05 ws day, pic 9 of 2 value, and the day is 4. Clear? So this is how we can declare the group item. So now what we are going to do, we are going to convert, not convert, I would say the redefine. We are going to redefine this group item into single field. So let's declare that field. So here I'll declare level number as 01, data type, name would be ws full date, full hyphen date, and then we will specify the redefine clause. So redefines and ws date, because we want to redefine it with ws date, and now the data type would be pic 9 of 8. Okay, so here I'll specify 9, which is denoting numeric, and 8 is the type length. Okay, 9 is denoting the numeric data type and 8 is defining the length of the data type. So let's add one blank line here, only one is sufficient. Okay, so we are ready with the group items as well as the single field where we have utilized the redefines clause to redefine the group item. So this is the group item, and now we are means this single field is sharing the storage with this group item. Okay, so this is how we can say that same chunk of data is representing in two different ways by sharing the memory. Okay, so let's write the procedure division, because we are going to print the values to verify everything. So procedure division, after procedure division we will specify the display commands to display the required values. So here I'll write display. After display we will write here ws year. Okay, then after display we will write here another thing, which is ws month. After month we will display day, display ws day. Clear? Now after ws day, what we will do, we will display the actual value which we converted or redefined. So display ws full date. Clear? Now what we will do, we will remove the unnecessary line from the code. So remove the unnecessary lines. Clear? So we are ready with it. So it's time to compile and see the output. So by 14 it is compiled. Now I am calling it. So you can see firstly it is printing year 2024, month 0009, because I think we have specified 4, that's why it is showing 4. Then 04 for day, and now you can see 2024 0009 is printed because we have specified the, I think something is wrong because we have specified the wrong length here. It should be 2 only. Okay, let's recompile it, otherwise it will truncate the actual data. Yeah, so 2024 9/4 and now 2024 9/4. Okay, even you can notice that we have not initialized any value date, so still it is referring the information because we have redefined the data. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the redefine clause in order to perform the uh, in order to represent same chunk of data in two different ways. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things, so thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.